Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a super simple yet effective ranking system right in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to visually score or rate items with easy-to-read stars, perfect for tracking anything from team performance to your favorite movies or restaurants. If you've ever wanted a neat ranking setup, no fancy add-ons required, you're in the right place. So let's dive straight in. First things first, we need to set up a column in your sheet that's dedicated just to ratings. Think about this as the scoreboard where all your scores or ratings are going to live. Click on the column where you want the ratings to appear, for example, column D, then right-click on the cell where you'd like your first rating to be and a menu will pop up. Hover over Insert and look for the option called Smart Chips. This is a cool feature in Google Sheets that lets you add dynamic elements, and in this case, we want to select Rating. You should see some star icons show up. Now, this built-in star rating system lets you quickly choose up to 5 stars with just a click, which is perfect for things like quick feedback or reviews. Now you might be thinking, but what if I want more flexibility than just 5 stars? Or maybe you'd prefer to use actual numbers for scores. Don't worry, I've got you covered with another method. Instead of the rating column using stars, try setting up a regular score column. Imagine you're rating movies from 1 to 10, for example. Just create a new column, let's say column D again, and enter your scores directly like 7, 8, or 10 for each item. This number-based scoring system is super flexible if you need a broader range. Here where the magic happens. Next to your score column, we're going to translate those numbers into star icons so it's instantly visual and honestly way more satisfying than just numbers. Click in the cell right beside your first score, let's say that's column E row 2. In that cell, type in this formula exactly as you see it, equals rept char 9733 D2. What this does is actually really cool. The REPT function repeats something, and char 9733 is just Google Sheets' way of telling it to display a star symbol, that classic 5-pointed shape. So if you have a 7 in cell D2, it'll repeat that star symbol 7 times and you'll see a satisfying row of stars appear. Once you've got this in place, you don't need to write the formula over and over again. Here's a quick shortcut. Click on the little blue square at the bottom right of the cell that called the fill handle. Drag it down along the rest of your list and the formula will copy itself, adapting to each row's score automatically. Suddenly, all your items are neatly starred according to their score, a great way to quickly see rankings at a glance. And honestly, that's all there is to it. If your stars look a little squished, you might have to widen your column just a bit. Just click and drag the edge of the column header until everything displays nicely. Don't worry if your stars don't look perfect immediately, it sometimes takes a second for Sheets to refresh. So that's your quick and easy ranking system in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share how you're using rankings in your own projects, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.